So we're down here in Lee Green in southeast London. This is another project we're starting today. So what we're doing on this project is we're going to be brick cleaning all of the brickwork back to its natural colour. We're going to be cutting out and replacing all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks as always. We've also got some handmade bricks to cut out and replace as well. So all of the decorative bricks that are already cracked and damaged and spoiled, we're going to be replacing all of them with nice new handmade bricks, cutting out all of this cement pointing, repointing all of that in natural lime mortar in a penny roll finish. We done the house next door last year, so I'll show you that in a bit once we get back down to the ground floor level. So like I say, cleaning all the brickwork, cutting out and replacing all of the damaged bricks. We're going to be tuck pointing all of the arches like we did next door. So do a combination of penny roll pointing and tuck pointing on all of the arches. Finishing it on a nice return all the way down here, nice straight joint all the way through. Decorating all of the stonework and woodwork, all of the collar joints around all of the windows, cutting out, replacing all of the collar joints, getting them all nice and watertight. Also looking at doing repainting all of the woodwork, all of the seals, all flaky. They'll need to be rubbed back, primed and decorated as well. As you can see, there's quite a lot of bricks to cut out and replace on here, so cutting out, replacing all of the bricks as well, putting a new plinth on the base of the property, looking at decoration to all of the cornice work, getting all this loose flaky paint off there as well, stabilise everything, get all of this painted for the customer so everything's going to be perfect. Keystone as well, rub all of that back, decoration to all of that as well. So a nice job to start the year on. Very busy, got another 4 scaffoldings up at the moment. All the lads are working really hard. Got a nice tuck pointing job over in Clapham, another big stone restoration project over in Brockley, another couple in Catford as well. So back to the new year, very busy as always. Got some really nice projects lined up this year, probably fully booked now to about April already. So if you do want a free quotation from us, give us a call, get in contact, and we'll get it all priced up for you, get you booked in. So I'm just going to show you the house we did next door last year. So we're doing a like for like finish on this one. So this looks really nice still. Actually, we done this house last year, so that was all penny roll pointed, tuck pointed all the arches. We also done the house next door to that as well. We done that one last year as well. So we brick cleaned and repointed all of this one here in a nice penny roll finish as well. Then we also did another one a few doors up. So I've done quite a few on this road, so I should show you the one we done a few doors down from that as well. So we did this house as well. I think we've done this one about 2-3 years ago. Same thing on this one, penny roll pointed all of the brickwork, cut and replaced all of the damaged bricks, tuck pointed all the arches, decorated all the stonework. We also done a little Victorian path in here as well, done all that for the customer, plinth all the way around the base of the property. So good reputation in the area. As you know, it works faultless all the time, so it's going to be restoring this house to look as good as these adjoining properties on Handon Road in Lee Green. So if you'd like a free quotation from us, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'll be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries you do have. Thank you very much.